In this video, I would like to explain collecting like terms. Before we start, if I ask you to tell me how many shapes do I have here, the answer can be 8 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one answer. Someone else may say you have 4 hearts and 4 stars, and this is making sense. Why do we specifically add these 3 to this one? Why didn't we add these 3 to these 2 stars here? Because they are not alike, they are not the same thing. So we added the hearts together and we added the stars together, and that's exactly collecting like terms. So let's look at this question up there. 3 cats plus 4 dogs plus 5 cats minus a dog. Cats looks like cats, so we'll add 3 and 5 here. So the answer will be 8 cats, and then dogs and dogs. 4 dogs minus a dog is 3 dogs, so the answer is 4 cats plus 3 dogs, and that's it. Now in the exam they won't say cats and dogs. Instead of cats they can just write C. So 3C plus 4D plus 5C minus D. This is exactly the same question up there. Now look, C and C look alike, so we'll add them. 3C plus 5C is 8C, and 4D minus D is 3D, and that's exactly the same question. And this is the main idea of collecting like terms. That's it. Let's now do some questions. We have some challenging questions down there. So y plus y, 2 y's. Think of a banana plus a banana, so it's just 2 bananas. Now the next one is 8x minus 2x plus 3x. Let's think of the banana again. So 8 bananas minus 2 bananas plus 3 bananas. So 8x minus 2x is 6x plus 3x is 9x. Next one, 4ac plus 5ac. Now AC is one thing, so we'll just again think of the cats. So it's 4 cats plus 5 cats, because it's the same thing. AC, AC. So what's 4AC plus 5AC? It's 9AC. Now a squared plus a squared. Is it the same thing? Yes, it is the same thing. So it's just 2a squared. Now 3x plus 4 minus x plus 7. Obviously, x doesn't look like the 4 because the 4 doesn't have x in it. So in such question, I'll add the things that look alike. So 3x and x look alike. So 3x minus x, 3 dogs minus a dog. So it's 2 dogs, 2x. And then 4 plus 7 is 11. So it's just 2x plus 11. Next question. 3c minus 10d minus c plus 4d. Can you try this and comment your answer? Now last question here. 3y squared plus 2y squared. I meant to write a squared. Let me just fix it. Let me just write the question down here. I'll just write it up here. 3y squared plus 2w squared plus y squared minus w squared. Don't get scared of the question, it's easy. Now y squared looks like y squared, so let's look at this and that. So it's just 3 bananas plus a banana, so it's 4 bananas, so it's 4y squared. It's just that. And then w squared is cats, so 2 cats minus a cat, because it's minus w squared. So 2 cats minus 1 cat is just a cat, so it's plus w squared. And that's it. Collecting like terms. Was it easy? Thank you for following. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for following. Bye bye.